So here we go with our lamb noodle.
First of all, the eggs.
First of all, the egg. This is lamb. In with the lamb. Vegetables. Bread. By bread I mean green vegetables. And then a bowl of noodles.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Pepper.
Bit of black pepper.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Oh man.
Chinese wine.
Chinese wine. Oh man. Whoa, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Oh.
Some garlic sauce.
And garlic sauce. Oh man, this is my favorite bit, over the flame tossing it.
See why we choose the eggs first? Then we won't get nothing stick in the pan.
Okay, so the egg is like the oil, it keeps everything from sticking. Now remember guys, this is one portion, we're just getting it made into two for us. Wow, that is so much noodle. That's one portion, but remember this is all one portion, just separated into two plates. That must be such a big bowl of noodle. Oh man. A little bit of green onion.
That's good.
And there we go. Ready to go. And look, proper waiter skills. He knows the skill. And there we go.
Oh wow, thank you.
Oh man, what a treat, what a treat.
Those look amazing.
As well as garlic sauce, you can put this one.
So garlic
Thank
sauce
you.
Vinegar.
and
Great,
vinegar.
guessed
give you some
correctly.
chili.
Thank you. Wow.
Oh man.
Stab a piece of lamb. Ooh.
Oh, look at that mouthful. Oh yes.
Mmm.